Have you ever looked at your pet and thought, there's a little person in there? What if I told you that across the animal kingdom, there are creatures who, with just a few different evolutionary twists and turns, might be sitting where you are right now, watching videos about us? Welcome to Animal Facts. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animals that could have been humans. Let's start with our closest relatives, the great apes. Chimpanzees, for instance, share about 98.8% of our DNA. That's like getting a 99 on a test and still not being the top student. They use tools, have complex social structures, and can even learn sign language. Remember Kanzi, the bonobo? He didn't just learn symbols. He understood spoken English and could respond using a special keyboard. He was basically the first ape to master texting. The main things holding them back, our big brains and bipedal swagger. While they can walk on two legs, it's more of a temporary shuffle. We, on the other hand, committed to the upright lifestyle, which freed up our hands for things like inventing pizza and, well, YouTube. But let's swim away from our primate cousins for a second and dive into the ocean. Meet the dolphin. If you think their synchronized swimming is impressive, you should see their brains. A dolphin's brain is not only large, but it's also incredibly complex, with a neocortex more convoluted than ours. This is the part of the brain linked to higher-order thinking and self-awareness. They have names for each other, unique whistles, and they form alliances that would make a season of Game of Thrones look simple. They even play with pufferfish to, shall we say, experience altered states of consciousness. So why aren't they building underwater cities? It comes down to one major hurdle: no hands. Imagine trying to invent the wheel when all you have is a snout and flippers. It's tough. Evolution gave them the brain power, but forgot the toolbox. Now, let's talk about a real dark horse in the intelligence race, the crow. These birds are so smart, it's almost spooky. They're part of the corvid family, which are basically the geniuses of the bird world. Crows can solve multi-step puzzles that would stump a small child. They understand water displacement, just like in the Aesop's fable. Scientists have seen them drop stones into a tube of water to raise the level and grab a floating treat. That's physics, people. They also have incredible memory, especially for faces. If you're nice to a crow, it will remember you. If you're mean, well, let's just say it will remember you, and it will tell its friends. They pass down knowledge from generation to generation. The biggest thing that stopped them from becoming the dominant species? Probably their size and, again, a lack of versatile hands. A beak is great for many things, but it's not exactly ideal for intricate crafting or writing a novel. What about an animal that has the hands, or at least the appendages, to get the job done? Enter the octopus. This 8-armed wonder is an escape artist, a master of camouflage, and a brilliant problem solver. Their intelligence is completely alien to ours. They have a central brain, but 2/3 of their neurons are in their arms. That means each arm can think and act independently. It's like having 8 roommates who all know what you're thinking. They've been observed using tools like carrying coconut shells to use as portable shelters. They're basically building their own mobile homes. So, what's their issue? A tragically short lifespan. Most octopuses only live for a couple of years. It's hard to build a civilization when you have to restart from scratch every single generation. They don't have the time to pass down complex knowledge and build upon it. So, we have the apes with the DNA, the dolphins with the brain, the crows with the problem solving, and the octopuses with the manipulative limbs. Each one has a piece of the human puzzle, but none of them have all of it. Evolution is like a giant game of chance, and we just happen to get the winning combination of a big brain, opposable thumbs, an upright posture, and a long enough lifespan to make something of it all. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? If a few things had gone differently millions of years ago, a pod of dolphins might be making documentaries about the curious, land-walking mammals with the funny-looking hair. Which of these animals do you think came the closest? Let me know your pick in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this journey into what could have been, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.